Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Auto Draw. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Auto Draw website. This free online tool uses artificial intelligence to guess what you're trying to draw and offers suggestions. It's incredibly user-friendly and doesn't require any downloads or installations. You can start drawing immediately, making it perfect for quick creative tasks. We'll cover the basics and then dive into some advanced tips. To begin, simply select the Auto Draw tool, which looks like a magic wand, from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. Now, start drawing your desired object on the canvas. Don't worry about perfection. Auto Draw is designed to interpret your rough sketches. As you draw, a row of suggested shapes will appear at the top. Click on the one that best matches your intention to instantly refine your drawing. It's that simple to turn a scribble into a recognizable image. Beyond basic drawing, Auto Draw offers more creative control. After selecting a suggestion, you can use the Fill tool to add vibrant colors to your artwork. The Select tool allows you to resize, rotate, and reposition any element on your canvas, giving you flexibility. Try combining several Auto Draw suggestions to build more complex scenes or illustrations. For example, draw a house, then a tree, and arrange them together. Experiment with different tools to unlock its full potential. Once your masterpiece is complete, you can easily export it. Look for the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, and select Download to save your image in a standard format. Remember, the more you use Auto Draw, the better it becomes at recognizing your unique drawing style. Keep practicing to enhance your creative flow. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.